Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Honda Passport. First, gather your essential equipment, a set of reliable jumper cables and another vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery. Ensure both vehicles are safely parked in neutral or park, with their engines completely off. Position the working vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can comfortably reach both batteries. Before connecting anything, visually inspect your passport's battery for any signs of damage or leaking fluid. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly and safely. First, take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Honda Passport's dead battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal part of your passport's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, it's time to bring your passport back to life. Start the engine of the working vehicle and allow it to run for about 5 minutes. This gives the dead battery a chance to receive some charge. After 5 minutes, try to start your Honda Passport. If it doesn't start immediately, wait another 2 or 3 minutes and attempt to start it again. Once your Passport's engine is running, let it idle for at least 15 minutes to build up a sufficient charge. Now that your Honda Passport is running, it's crucial to disconnect the jumper cables in the correct reverse order to avoid any sparks. First, remove the black negative clamp from the unpainted metal surface of your passport. Next, disconnect the black negative clamp from the working vehicle's battery. Then, detach the red positive clamp from the working battery. Finally, remove the red positive clamp from your passport's battery. Drive your vehicle for at least 30 minutes to ensure the battery recharges fully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.